Welcome back. If you want to quickly find all the fundraiser matches you've created on the Facebook app using a PC in the latest update, this guide will walk you through it step by step in a simple way. Sometimes Facebook changes where certain activity details are stored, so if you are trying to check your fundraiser history, don't worry. The option is still there, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few clicks to get to it. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Then go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Once that section opens, click on Activity Log. This is the place where Facebook keeps a record of many things you have done on your account, including posts, interactions, and other activity types. Inside Activity Log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area helps you narrow down the kind of actions you want to review. Now click on Fundraisers. After that, enter Fundraisers matches you have created. That is where Facebook shows the fundraiser matches connected to the ones you created. If you do not see it right away, take your time and scroll through the options carefully. Facebook sometimes places features in slightly different spots after an update, but the path is still very similar. Once you reach the Fundraiser Matches section, you can review the list and check the details you need. This is especially useful if you want to keep track of your fundraiser activity, confirm past matches, or simply organize your account history. So if you were wondering where Facebook stores this information on PC, now you know the exact route. Just follow these steps again anytime you need to find it. Open Facebook app, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, click Fundraisers, and then open Fundraisers matches you have created. That's it for this quick guide.